welcome to SEO Rocket Writer. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a new business so you can get personalized keyword suggestions and create tailored, high-quality, and fully optimized blog articles to boost your Google rankings effortlessly. Once you're logged in, the first thing you'll see is your dashboard. Click on My Business in the left-hand menu and look for a button that says Add New Business to open the form. Start by filling in the basics, like your business name, your website, URL, as well as your business email. Then add the owner's or representative's first name and last name. Now comes the most important part, your business description. Think of it as your chance to really show off what you do, including what products and services you offer, who your ideal customers are, and why they should choose you over the competition. Aim for at least 100 words so Rocket Writer can generate stronger, more accurate recommendations. Next, let's choose your preferred content language. You can choose from UK English, American English, or German. We will be adding more languages soon. Let's move on to the optional information section, where you can list your products or services, summarize your ideal customer in one sentence, and add any specific areas you want to target. This will help Rocket Writer to tailor your content even more to your specific goals. You can also specify a lead magnet or call to action, which will be linked to at the end of your articles. This will help to generate leads and keep your audience engaged. This could be something like schedule a free strategy call, download our free checklist, or get a free quote, for example. Be sure to include a direct link to your lead magnet for best results. In the Advanced Settings tab, you'll find additional options like the WordPress Rocket Link, which you'll need to publish articles directly to your WordPress site. Alternatively, you can add a Zapier webhook URL for integration with hundreds of other apps. We highly recommend enabling the Rocket Link network option if you'd like to make use of Rocket Writer's link building benefits. You can turn on AI image generation to automatically generate images for all of your articles. Please note that images are generated after your content is sent to your WordPress website. If you do not want your business to be visible on the Rocket Writer leaderboard, you have the option to hide it here. Once you've filled everything in, click Save Details and you're all set. Rocket Writer will get to work and analyze your business to find top keyword opportunities based on the information you provided. This can take a couple of minutes to complete. Well done! Your business is now added and you are ready to use SEO Rocket Writer. Remember, the more detail you share in your business settings, the better results you'll see. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.